Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I already have like a suction cup ball from Fidget Toys Plus, but what enticed me was the fact that I saw this one had some like glitter in it, and if you know, girls love things that are glittery. Well, not all girls, but you know, some girls do. I'm some girl. Anyway, moving right along. Okay. So you have the suction cup outside, which, okay, and then the insides have like all the different heart confetti, as well as the beads that the other squish ball has. I just was like looking for more like variety, so I also got the blue one. Hold on, let me cut off the tag. Okay, we'll open the blue one. I can't remember if there was glitter in this one. I think there might be. Oh no, there's no. There's no glitter, but it's still very satisfactory to squish. And then love that. So yeah, the sea urchin is by K, whatever K is. I don't really know. K. Keycraft is the company that made these. Interesting. Never heard of them, but now I have. So yeah, I definitely got the orange one just because like glitter. And this one has no glitter. And they smell pretty good as well. And you can hear them stick. I bet you if you stick it to a window, it'd be so satisfying. Anyways, come back for more.